WhatsApp has finally introduced the feature we've all been waiting for, adding music to your status. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a song that perfectly matches your moment in just a few taps. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now, without further delay, let's get into the process. So, first open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for the WhatsApp app, and check if you have the latest version. If you don't, you'll see an Update button. Tap on it and wait for the app to finish updating. Once it's done, you'll see the Open button. Tap on it and it will take you straight into the WhatsApp app. Once you're in WhatsApp, in the bottom menu, select the Updates option. Right after that, tap on My Status. This will open your gallery, where you can choose a photo or video you want to upload. As soon as you select it, you'll be taken to the editing page. As you can see, the latest update gives us this little music icon. Tap on it, and it will open the music gallery where you can search for and select the song you want to add to your status. Once you choose the song, tap on the arrow icon. Then you can select a part of the song by dragging the slider below. The current limit is 15 seconds, but they'll probably extend that in the future. After you finish editing, tap the Done button in the top right corner. Then, tap the Send icon in the bottom right corner to publish your status. And that's it, friends. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.